So this is what the underside of the red 124 project looked like. This is fairly typical for a West Australian car that has spent any time at all in country areas. We have this red dirt that just sticks to everything and is very difficult to remove. I came up with a method. It's not very safe. In fact, that's an understatement. I mix up a caustic solution and basically scrub everything. Any grease that's contained in that dirt will just wash off instantly, and just be aware it does stain the concrete. So those marks there are where I've been cleaning underneath the car. It didn't even look like it was greasy. This is just how effective this cleaning method is. All of the dirt just melts off instantly anywhere that you apply it and scrub it. You've got to work while it's wet. If it dries, it still works, but it's not as effective as when it's wet. And it also makes a hell of a mess. What I do is scrub it and then get the pressure washer onto it. So the entire area now has brown, filthy water over the whole area, and it took me at least half an hour to clean that up as best as possible. These stains aren't going anywhere for the time being. I will treat that concrete once this car is able to move, but for the time being, unfortunately, those stains are there to stay. But already, I'm starting to see a massive improvement underneath the car. Yes, I have missed a few spots, but when your lungs are dissolving and you're getting chemical burns all over your face and arms, you've got to work very quickly. You don't have time to mess around. So I'm not recommending this method at all. It's just mine because I'm crazy, but I like things to look clean. I do not like that red dust. I will have another go at it later on the areas that I've missed. Probably wear a bit more suitable clothing. Shorts and a t-shirt is not suitable when you've got caustic chemicals leaking all over you. I did wear gloves and safety glasses, but unfortunately that doesn't stop the chemical burns everywhere else. And yes, they hurt. Even the areas that I didn't pay too much attention to, just quickly scrubbed, did turn out pretty well. The main area of interest was above the subframe. Of course, it's not going to do anything for that wax that's applied at the factory. I don't really care about that. I just don't want the red dirt anywhere. This area was absolutely filthy, and that's looking good. I didn't actually apply any cleaner to the transmission tunnel. I will attend to that later. But everywhere I have applied it turned out pretty damn good. And this is where I did the soldering on the top side for the brackets for the center console at the rear. So I have to treat that bare metal that's had the coating burnt away and paint it. I will do that at some stage. So that's looking a hell of a lot better. And yeah, it's just a case of cleaning up all of this filthy brown water. And it just never seems to stop. As much as you clean it, there's always more. And for some reason I was thinking that I had to remove these hard fuel lines to change rubber hoses. I must have been thinking of my 6.9 at the time. On the 124 they're all threaded and easily replaced. So these are the stains after cleaning. It's just not going anywhere. But I'm not concerned about that.